We're currently at GIO Stadium, which is Canberra's premium rectangular stadium. It's the home of the Raiders and Brumbies and many exciting events, concerts and functions. The market in sports entertainment has changed dramatically over a really short period of time. The fact that at any point in time I can be watching any sport anywhere in the world means that you need to be really competitive in how you present.
There's a huge push for better technology in the stadiums. People sit at home and they can get instant replays on their TV. And so the ability to have an instant replay or watch live feeds at a stadium is something that people are looking for.
What we were looking to do with the upgrade in our IPTV system was to make sure we could both bring what's happening on field to all our function spaces, all our concourses, also to reach out to commercial opportunities.
So as part of the approach for upgrading all the displays and TVs, which were very piecemeal over the last 20 odd years, we have upgraded everything to a 4K LG display or TV or LED, depending on its location, across the board. So now we now have a consistency across the site.
For the stadium, we needed everything from a 34-inch display to a 110-inch LCD to a 150-inch LED display. So one of the reasons for selecting LG for this project was the large catalogue of screens that they have on board, and that was network ready and would directly plug into control systems like Restaurant.
I think one of the advantages that we've found with this rollout was the requirement for a few different screens. There's LED screens out at the gate boxes, there's high brightness screens in the concourse, there's hospitality screens in the VIP suites. Vitec and LG work nicely no matter what the endpoint is.
Power efficiency was a massive consideration. It takes a lot of power to run the stadium, and any savings in energy was highly favoured by the stadium.
Part of the upgrade was to achieve better quality vision, so everything now is 4K all the way through. There are corporate suites which hold 24 odd people. We typically use a 32-inch or a 43-inch. In the lounge, depending on locations, we've used anything from 43, 55 and 65-inch displays.
With the LG displays, it's been really impressive that the screens not only meet the high specifications that we need around the venue, but they present as a seamless part of our event presentation, our suites and our corporate areas.
The assistance we've had from all the vendors, and particularly LG, has been fantastic. There was a slight issue with one of the displays, and LG straight away assisted us by replacing those with something that had firmware that would work. You can't ask for a better vendor than that.
We've done many projects with LG in the past in multiple different verticals, and when you can come in and present to an end user, here's a control system, here's an IPTV system, here's a TV screen, and everybody works collaboratively, it's a better result for the customer at the end of the day.